Hashtag short, guys. Y'all see this 2.7 liter. Yes, how many of y'all recognize that engine and know of the history of this engine? Well, it's in for oil leaks, guys. I got some oil leaks I got to do. Here's the parts. I want to leave this online mechanic tip with you guys. Now, as far as the oil leak, I got an oil pan gasket, front timing chain cover gasket, and of course the dipstick, because dipstick 2 broke. And I figured since I'm gonna take the oil pan off, but since of drilling that out and taking that out, I'll just pull it out when I take the oil pan off. Get this, guys. Let me leave y'all with this tip. Always, this is a PCV valve. Yes, it's a funny looking PCV valve, but however, it is a positive crankcase ventilation valve. Now, my advice to you, or my tip to you, is to simply replace this every time you are doing oil leaks. Okay, yes, guys, oil leaks. This helps vent out the crankcase. Okay, so anytime if there's high pressure in the crankcase, you can come up with those oil leaks, but I don't want that to happen on my watch, so I always replace the PCV valve. That's just a hashtag short tips.